Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to cancel your subscription to your Netflix. So if you've been using a Netflix account in order to watch different dramas, TV shows, movies, documentaries or any other audiovisual mediums, but now want to cancel your subscription altogether, you need to stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. So for this, you have to first of all keep in mind that if you're doing this through a mobile device, you won't be able to do this from your Netflix app. What you have to do is you have to go to your web browser and then go to netflix.com. As you go to netflix.com, also make sure that you're already signed into your account. So when you're signed in, you can see that on the upper left hand side, there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines and then tap on account. As you tap on account, you will now be displayed different information regarding your account, and as you scroll downwards, you'll be able to see an option that says cancel membership. So if you've taken a certain membership with a certain plan, be it premium, standard or any other, and if you'd like to cancel this subscription altogether, what you have to do is tap on the button that says cancel membership. After you tap on cancel membership, you'll now be directed towards another page where it will ask you if you're done watching, and it will ask you if you're sure you'd like to cancel your membership, you'll have to finish below. That means cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period, and that you can come back anytime. If you restart within 10 months, your profiles, favorites, viewing preferences and account details will be waiting for you. So keeping this information in your mind, you can simply tap on finish cancellation, and then that is how your cancellation process will end. So this is basically how you can cancel your subscription to your Netflix account. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, do share and subscribe to App Guide. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.